Hi friends, today I'm here with a Nadan chicken curry and Idiyappam. Let's begin with chicken curry. For that, heat a kadai. To that add 2 tablespoons coriander powder and roast them until golden brown. When it turns golden brown, transfer it to a bowl. To the same kadai, pour some oil and add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute them well. After 2 minutes, add some curry leaves. Now add 3 finely chopped onions. Saute them well. Now add some salt. After sauteing them well, add 2 tablespoons roasted coriander powder. Now add 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmir chili powder. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. After sauteing them all, add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Add little water. Our masala is ready for the curry. I have taken here 1 kg fresh chicken. Transfer the masala to it. Mix them well. Add required salt and mix them well. Add little water and mix them well. Now our chicken is all set to get cooked. Cover it with the lid and I have not used whistle. Cook them in low flame for 30 minutes. Our Nadan chicken curry is ready. Now let's make Idiyappam. I have taken 2 cups rice powder. It's fine powder. Add some salt to taste. Now make a dough using hot water. Now make cylinder-like shape with the dough. For making idiyappam, we need noodles mold. Press the dough into it. To the steamer, press out the dough. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Now our idiyappam is ready. Now we are going to make idiyappam using the idli plate. Make sure you have greased them and press out the dough. Cover the lid and cook it for 2 minutes again. Our soft idiyappam is ready. Please do try this recipe. If you like the video, please don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do it fastly.